Domain Registration Explained, a comprehensive guide for non-techies. Are you ready to establish your online presence with a website or blog? One of the first steps in this exciting journey is registering a domain name. But if you're not well-versed in technical jargon, the process might seem daunting. Don't worry. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the ins and outs of domain registration in simple terms, tailored for those without a technical background. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to confidently secure your own piece of the digital world. Understanding the basics. What is a domain? Think of a domain as your online address. Just like your home has a physical address that people use to find you, your website needs a unique address on the internet. This address is your domain name, which people type into their browsers to access your site. For example, www.mywebsite.com is a domain name. Choosing the perfect domain name. Selecting the right domain name is crucial. It should reflect your brand, be easy to remember, and ideally include keywords relevant to your website's content. Brainstorm different options and consider the impression each name gives. Once you've settled on a domain name, it's time to move on to the registration process. Picking a domain registrar. A domain registrar is a company that facilitates the registration of your chosen domain name. Popular registrars include Raksmart, GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Google Domains. When choosing a registrar, consider factors such as pricing, customer support, and additional services offered. Each registrar has its own user-friendly interface to guide you through the registration process. Registering your domain. Check availability. Before registering, make sure your desired domain name is available. Registrars typically have a search bar on their websites where you can enter your desired name to check its availability. Choose a TLD. Top-level domain. A TLD is the extension at the end of your domain name, such as .com, .net, or .org. Pick one that aligns with your website's purpose. Provide information. During registration, you'll need to provide your contact information. Registrars are required by ICANN, the organization responsible for managing domain names, to collect this information. Set registration duration. Choose how long you want to register your domain for. You can usually select a period of 1 to 10 years. Privacy protection. Consider opting for privacy protection if available. This shields your personal information from being publicly accessible in the domain's WHOIS database. Complete the payment. Once you've filled in the necessary details, proceed to the payment step. Registrars accept various payment methods. Translating the technical DNS and name servers. Domain Name System (DNS) is like the Internet's phone book. It translates human-readable domain names into IP addresses that computers use to locate websites. Name servers manage the DNS records for your domain, ensuring that when someone enters your domain name, they reach your website server. Final thoughts. Congratulations! You've successfully registered your domain name and navigated the intricacies of domain registration. Remember that your domain is your online identity, so choose wisely. With your newfound knowledge, you're now prepared to embark on the exciting journey of building your online presence. Whether you're creating a personal blog or launching a business website, your domain name is the first step toward making your mark on the digital world.